Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and a user called Nightmare Eclipse last week had mentioned and actually shown proof of concept of an exploit that is really bad and easy to basically infiltrate and break Windows Defender. Windows Defender is at the heart of the Windows security. It is what the antivirus that is used within Windows security on Windows. And so that flaw was discovered by a security researcher a couple of weeks ago and sent all the info to Microsoft with proof of concept. Microsoft deems that it's actually important enough that they are saying they are working on a fix. And so the fix, will it come at the end of the month, or it probably, as Windows Defender, as its own engine fixes and engine updates through Windows Update, there's a good possibility that it will simply be pushed through the Windows Update through the security app update that we have. When you look at your Windows updates, you could see that there's updates for the antivirus signatures, but sometimes there's also an update that is for the engine of Windows Security and Windows Defender. So when that is ready, it's probably going to go through there. But Microsoft deems that it's an important enough flaw to be fixed probably as soon as possible. So that proof of concept is kind of interesting, showing that there is a big flaw within Windows Defender right now. And that is, there's so many flaws, so many things that probably we don't even know are not aware of within, all the software we use. It's just incredible that we, at least have these people to, check that out, find flaws, and help out in keeping us safe. So when a update that is officially the fix is pushed through, I'll probably do a video to talk about it. But for now, there's really nothing for anyone to do. Just hang in there while Microsoft fixes the problem of this Windows Defender problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.